Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain what is password cracking and what are different techniques to crack the passwords. Okay, so please like and subscribe. Okay, let's start. So, first we will see what is password cracking. Okay, so password cracking is the process of recovering passwords from the data that has been transmitted by a computer system or stored in it. Okay, the purpose of password cracking might be help user recover forgotten or lost passwords as a preventive measures by the system administrator to check for easily crackable passwords, or it can be also used to gain unauthorized access to a system. Okay, many hacking attempts start with password cracking attempts. Passwords are the key piece of information necessary to access a system. Okay, consequently, most attackers use password cracking techniques to gain unauthorized access to the vulnerable system. Okay, passwords may be cracked manually or with the automated tool such as dictionary or brute force method. Okay, the computer program that are designed for cracking password are the function of the number of possible passwords per second that can be checked. Often user the while creating password select password that are predisposed to being cracked, thus such using pet names or choosing one that simple so they can remember it. Okay, so most of the password cracking techniques are successful due to weak or easily guessable passwords. Okay, so this is the password cracking. Next, different technique to crack the passwords. Okay, password cracking is the technique used for discovering the password. It is the classical way to gain privileges to a computer system or network. Okay, the common approach for cracking password is to continually try the guesses for the password with the various combination. Okay, until you get the correct one. Okay, there are five techniques for password cracking. Okay, so first technique is dictionary attack. Okay, in dictionary attack, dictionary file is loaded into the cracking application that runs against a user account. Okay, this dictionary is the text file that contain a number of dictionary words. The program uses every word present in the dictionary to find the passwords. Okay, dictionary attack are more useful than brute force attack, but this attack does not work with a system that uses passes. Okay, so this attack can applied under two situation. Okay, first is cryptanalysis. Okay, in cryptanalysis it is used to find out the decryption key for obtaining plain text for cipher test. Okay, and second is computer security. Okay, in computer security, to avoid authentication and access the computer by guessing password. Okay, so next method to improve the success of dictionary attack, it means the use the number of dictionaries such as technical dictionaries and foreign dictionaries which helps to retrieve the correct password. Okay, so this is the dictionary attack. Next technique is brute forcing attack. Okay, the cryptography algorithm must be sufficiently hardened in order to prevent brute force attack. Okay, the definition of stated by RSA, okay, is exhaustive key search or brute force search. Okay, is the basic techniques for trying every possible key in turn until the correct key is identified. Okay, when someone tries to produce each and every single encryption key for data until the needed information is detected. This is termed brute force attack. Okay, until this date these types of attack was performed by those who had sufficient processing power. Okay, the United States government once believed that 56 bit, okay, encryption standard was sufficient to deter all brute force attack. Okay, a claim with that several groups across the world had tested. Okay, cryptanalysis is brute force attack and encryption of brute force search of the key pair. Okay, in other words, testing all possible keys in done an attempt to recover the plain text used to produce a particular cipher text. Okay, the detection of key or plain text with a faster pace as compared to the brute force attack can be considered a way of breaking the cipher. Okay, a cipher is secure if no method exists to break that the cipher other than the brute force attack. Okay, mostly all cipher are deficient of mathematical proof of security. Okay, if the key are original choose randomly or search randomly, the plaintext will on averages become available after half of all the possible keys are tried. Okay, so some of the consideration for brute force attack are follows, like it is a time consuming process and all password will eventually be found. Okay, so this is the brute forcing attack. Okay, third technique is hybrid attack. Okay, these types of attack depends upon the dictionary attack. Okay, there are chances that people might change their password by just adding some numbers to their old password. Okay, in these types of attack the program adds some numbers and symbol to the word for the dictionary and tries to crack the password. Okay, for example, if the old password is system, okay, then there is a chance that person will change it to system 1 or system 2. Okay, so these types of password is easily cracked. Okay, so this is the hybrid attack technique. Okay, next technique is syllable attack. Okay, syllable attack is the combination of both brute force attack and dictionary attack. Okay, this cracking technique is used when the password is not existing word. Attacker use the dictionary and other methods to crack in it. Okay, it is also uses the possible combination of every word present in the dictionary. Okay, next technique is last technique is rule based attack. Okay, these types of attack is used when the attacker get some information about the passwords. Okay, this is the most powerful attack because the cracker knows the type of passwords. Okay, for example, if the attacker knows that the password contains 2 or 3 digit number, okay, then he or she will use some specific techniques and extract the password in less time. Okay, by obtaining useful information such as use of numbers, the length of password and special character, the attacker can easily adjust the time for retrieving the password to minimum and enhance the cracking tools to retrieve password. Okay, this technique involves brute force dictionary and syllable attack. Okay, so this is the 5 techniques of password cracking. Okay, thank you for watching.